G'day, Mike Smith here. This is my new website which I've just installed and done some initial tweaks on. What I'm going to do now is add a theme and a plugin to this so that I can demonstrate how to do that on a WordPress self-hosted blog. So follow me as we go through the process. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add a theme. This theme is the 2017 theme that came pre-installed with WordPress. Themes is under the Appearance menu. Clicking on Theme there, you can see these are all of the themes that came with WordPress, except for this one, which I just added a moment ago. And up at the top here, you can add a new theme. So let's look at that. Now, what's happening here is that these are themes which are available through the wordpress.org website, and that's this website here. So you can see these themes are kind of similar to what's displayed within your WordPress dashboard. So this is actually connecting directly to wordpress.org. You can also upload a theme, and that's what I'm going to do. So you can select any of these themes and that will change the look of your website straight away. So I could do that here just by clicking on Activate. But what I'm going to do is upload a new theme. Okay, and so I just browse to my computer folder where I've downloaded the theme, and let me just cancel out of that. The theme that I'm going to install is the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. Divi is a very useful, very flexible theme. It's a premium theme, but it's definitely worth buying because you can do so much with it. So I have an account here. I've downloaded it already to my computer, and so what I'm going to do now is upload it here into my installed WordPress. So that's in here. Comes as a zip file. And so I'll just open that. It's going to upload. So it's just uploading now. And once it's installed, I can activate it in exactly the same way as any of these other themes. Okay, so it's uploaded and it's just unpacking that zip file now. And now it's installing the theme. Okay, so the theme's been installed successfully and I can preview it, activate it, or return to the themes page. Great! And one really nice feature of this is that I can live preview what my site would look like if I activated the theme. So I'm just going to show you that here. This live preview is a bit of a godsend because you don't have to commit to a new theme in order to see what your site would look like. Okay, now so Divi has been selected for this preview, and I can I can play with various aspects of Divi here. Divi's got some amazing controls for appearance, and it's also got a live on-page editor. So because of the zoom of my my screen at the moment, it's displaying a mobile menu there. So that's quite nice. Now, while I'm here, I can change the theme that's being previewed to any of the other themes that I have installed. So, for example, I could just have a look at what my site would look like with the 2015 theme. And there you go. Not much there. So, in fact, I might just zoom out a bit so you can see what... Yeah, so that's the non-mobile version. Of course, these themes are responsive these days, so depending on your screen size and on your device, they will display differently. So that's good. Okay, so I'll just go back to Divi, live preview. Okay, so it's going to look pretty plain at this stage because there are a lot of settings that I need to change. Okay, so and from here I can save and activate. So I'm happy with that. Obviously a bit of tweaking to do, but I'm happy to save and activate. And I could do that there, or I could have done it, let's just go back to dashboard, themes. I could have done it here. Now any of these themes here through the dashboard themes here, I can just activate as well. So that's what I'm going to do now. Activate Divi theme. Right, so you can see that's the active theme now, and now if I browse at the front page, it's all different now. So obviously I need to add some content and some styling. Okay, so that's adding a new theme and changing a theme. You can do that directly from the wordpress.org options, or you can download and upload a theme using Add New. Okay, great. Okay, and next what I'm going to do after having installed this theme, I'm going to install a plugin just to demonstrate how to do that. And the plugin I'm going to install is something that allows me to create a child theme. So it's kind of dual purpose. Alright, so plugins works similarly to themes in that you've got a menu here that allows you to have a look at the installed plugins, and up the top here you've got the ability to add new, and it connects to wordpress.org in the same way as themes. So there's literally thousands of plugins that you can add, featured popular plugins, and you can search for them here. When you search here, you're actually searching on the WordPress site here under plugins. Now the plugin that I'm looking for is actually called Orbisius Child Theme Creator. So Orbisius creates a number of plugins, and this is the one that I'm interested in here. Now I could download that to my computer and upload it in the same way as I demonstrated before, or I can look for it directly here in my WordPress dashboard, and I can just install it from there. So that's what I'm going to do. Just waiting on that to install. Alrighty, and that's installed, and I can activate it there if I want to, or I can go back to the plugin page to see what my installed plugins are. Okay, so that's a child theme creator, and that process is similar to installing any plugin. Now the last thing I'm going to do for this particular demonstration video is to create a child theme, and now I'll just explain that concept. Going to the themes here, any of these themes have a series of underlying files, and some of the modifications that you may make to those files may be valuable in the sense that when the theme updates, you don't want to lose those changes. Now this is becoming less and less of a problem because often these modern themes have a lot of controls built into them, but if you ever need to make any lower level changes, you really should do it via a child theme. The concept then is that when the main theme, the parent theme, updates, it doesn't affect what has been changed in the child theme. So it's a way of future-proofing your website. Okay, so having said that, I can either upload a child theme, and you can find child themes in the Elegant Marketplace, I think. Yeah, child themes here, Elegant Marketplace. There's child themes. They tend not to be free, so I'm not going to buy one right now, but there are some very nice ones there. Alright, so what I'm going to do though is create a child theme, and that will then function in exactly the same way as if I had uploaded or downloaded and then uploaded a premium child theme. Alright, so back to plugins. The first thing I'm going to do is activate the Orbisius Child Theme Creator. This just makes it easy to create a child theme from any other theme. Okay, so Orbisius Child Theme Creator has appeared in my appearance menu here. Okay, so all of the installed themes now have this extra button underneath to create a child theme. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to select any of these. I'm just going to create a child theme. There we go. And now that's done. and now I can go to themes, and the child theme is here. Now you notice there's no nice logo here, and that can be fixed, but I'm not going to address that issue right now. So what I'm going to do is activate that, and now it's activated, and I can change some of these settings here if I want to. Alright, so that's activated now. So as far as the WordPress is concerned, it's actually using the child theme. When the main or parent theme updates, it won't affect anything that we've done in the child theme. So now my website should not really have changed as a result of that. Yep, that's right. Okay, so the website is now up and running with a theme, and I've demonstrated how to change the theme and also add a plugin. And through that process I've also shown how to change, set up and change to a child theme as well. So now this website is ready for styling and content.